The 2014 Ford Taurus. This is it. Crafted by an obsessive engineering and design team, the Taurus was created to compete with some of the world's best and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power driver's seat, power passenger seat, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, heated seats, dual airbags, front air conditioning, alloy wheels. Your new ride is just a phone call away.